Students, today we will learn about independent and dependent events, and we will find the probabilities of dependent and independent events. So first of all, two events A and B in the same sample space S are defined to be independent if the probability that one event occurs is not affected by whether the other event occur or not occur. Okay, this is the definition of independent events कि हमारे पास दो events होंगे. For example, as you can see on the screen, A and B, we have two events, event A and event B. So event A and B are said to be independent if the probability of any event A और B के में से कोई सा भी event लें और एक की probability दूसरे से affect ना हो, either the second or the first event occurred or not occurred. And how can we check this? There is a formula, as you can see here. The formula to check two events A and B are independent if the probability of A intersection B is equal to the probability of A product of probability of B. So this is the formula to check two events are independent. Okay. And if they are not equal, as you can see the second formula, if the probability of A intersection B is not equal to probability of A product of probability of B, then we say that A and B are dependent. So please note down these two formulas. For the case of independent events, there is an equality sign, and if the events are not equal, then the two events are dependent to each other. Dependent means they will be affected. अगर एक event होगा और दूसरा नहीं होगा, there may be be affected the other event. Okay. After this, we have an example to check that the two events are dependent or independent. For example, as you can see here, the question is three coins are tossed. Okay, three coins are tossed. So what we have the set A, both head and tail appear. We need to take a set A, that is event A, in which both head and tail appear. And in B, event B, at least two heads appear. Okay, at least two head appear. So what is the question? Check whether A and B are independent. We need to check these two events A and B are independent. And we know that when three coins are tossed, the sample space is this one. As you can see here, we have already learned to find the sample space when three coins are tossed. So there are total eight number of elements in this sample space. Okay. Now what we need to take? We need to take set A, and set A both head and tail appear. तो हम यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? सैंपल स्पेस में से वो वाले एलिमेंट्स लेंगे जिसमें हेड भी होगा और टेल भी होगा. So we need to take all the elements that have head and tail. So head, tail, this also have a head, tail, this also have a head, tail, this also have a head, tail, this one. Okay, first and last, the first one have only heads and the last one have only tail. In दोनों को आप नहीं लेंगे. So this is the set A in which we have total 6 elements. What is B? In B, we need to take at least two head appears. Okay, at least it means that we can also take more than two heads, or at least हमें two heads तो लेने हैं, and we can also take three heads. Okay, so अब हम चेक करते हैं कि B में हमारे पास कैसे एलिमेंट्स होंगे. In set B, we need to take at least two heads. At least two heads कौन कौन से हैं? This one two head, this have a two head, no, this have a two head. Okay, and this have three head, the first one. So we have how many elements? There are four elements set B. Now we need to check whether the two events A and B are dependent or independent. अभी हम इसको check करते हैं by using the formula, and we know that what is the formula? The formula is this one. Okay, अब हमें ये भी चाहिए on the left hand side. We need the intersection of A intersection B, the intersection of two events. तो A और B का जब हमने intersection find out किया, as you can see here, there are three elements. Intersection mean हम क्या करेंगे? इसमें जो common elements हैं दोनों events में A और B में, जो common elements है वो हम लेंगे. Okay, Now we will find the values that we need in the formula. What we need on the left hand side, we need probability of A intersection B. Okay, and the right hand side we need probability of A, probability of B. अभी हम देखते हैं कि probability of A क्या आएगी. As you can see here, the probability of A, how many elements in set A? There are 6 elements, and divided by how many elements in sample space? There are 8 elements. So number of elements in event A divided by number of elements in sample space, so the probability is 3 by 4. Similarly we can find the probability of B. Okay, इसको जब हमने simplify किया तो 1 by 2 आएगा. And we can also find the probability of A intersection B. Okay, we can also find, we also need to find the probability of A intersection B. So how can we find? The same formula. The number of elements in A intersection B is 3 divided by total number of elements in sample space, so 3 by 8. So left hand side पे तो हमारे पास 3 by 8 आ गया. Okay, now we will check on right hand side. So what is probability of A? Is 3 by 4. Okay, probability is of A is 3 by 4, multiply probability of B, that is 1 by 2. इसको multiply जब आप करेंगे तो ये भी किसके इक्वल आ रहा है? You can see it very easily. This is 3 by 8. This is also 3 by 8, as you can see here. So both the sides are same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It's mean that the events A and B are independent. अगर ये equal ना आता, then they are dependent events. I hope this is very easy example to understand. Two events A and B are independent. Similarly, we have another example to check two events are dependent or independent. In this example, as you can see, what is given, see it and read it carefully. The question is, two dice are rolled. Okay, two dice are rolled, and what we need to find, we need to check with the two events A and B. अब A event क्या है हमारे पास? In A, sum of dots are greater than 7. Okay, in event A, the sum of dots are greater than 7. And event B, absolute difference of dot is 3. Okay, and what we need to check whether A and B are independent. हमें ये check करना है कि A और B जो वो independent. Okay, और यहाँ पे when two dice are rolled, you know that, and we have already learned in the previous examples, कि जब हम दो डाइस को रोल करते हैं तो उनका जो सैंपल स्पेस बनता है उसमें कितने एलिमेंट्स होते हैं? देयर आर 36 एलिमेंट्स. ठीक है, यहाँ मैंने आपको शो नहीं किया. यू कैन सी द अदर प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स, उसमें आपको शो किया गया है इन द एग्जांपल्स, और उसका हमने सैंपल स्पेस फाइंड आउट किया हुआ है और आपने नोट भी किया होगा. वहां से आप सैंपल स्पेस देखें. देयर आर टोटल 36 एलिमेंट व्हेन टू डाइस आर रोल्ड. अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? इन सेट ए में क्या करेंगे? आपके पास जो सैंपल स्पेस नोट है जहाँ पे आपने वो लिखा होगा, उसमें देखेंगे सम ऑफ डॉट्स आर ग्रेटर देन 7, कि जहाँ पे डॉट्स का सम जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 7 है, हमने सेट ए में वो वाले एलिमेंट्स लेने. एज यू कैन सी हेयर, द सम ऑफ डॉट्स जो यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं हमारे पास इन सेट ए में, देखें वो किस तरह से हैं. In set A, we need to take the sum of dots are greater than 7. Okay, so देखें इसमें क्या sum of dot greater than 7 है. 2 plus 6 क्या होगा? 8. This is greater than 7. 3 plus 5, 8. This is greater than 7. And similarly, you can check all the elements in set A. Their sum is greater than 7. Okay, not equal to 7, greater than 7, and not less than 7. जितने भी 7 से ज्यादा जिनका सम बन रहा है उनको सम करने से वो वाले हम एलिमेंट्स उसमें लेंगे. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर सेट बी में हमें क्या चाहिए? एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस ऑफ डॉट्स इज 3. एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस जो होगा डॉट्स का, अगर वो हम लें तो वो 3 के इक्वल आए. सो आप देख सकते हैं इन सेट बी वी हैव सच एन एलिमेंट्स. that have the absolute difference is 3. कैसे 1 minus 4 करें तो -3 आएगा, उसकी absolute value 3 आ जाएगी. ओके, या 4 minus 1 कर लें तब भी 3 आएगा. 2 minus 5 करें उसकी absolute value 3 आएगी, और 5 minus 2 करें. So you can see all the elements in set B have the absolute difference is 3. जितने भी इसके अंदर एलिमेंट्स हैं उसका absolute difference हमारे पास 3 आ रहा है. Now what we need next? We need to find the intersection, because you know in the formula of to check two events are independent, on the left hand side the probability is the intersection of two events A and B. Okay, तो अभी हम यहाँ पे क्या find out करेंगे? The intersection of two events, और वो दोनों events कौन से हैं हमारे पास? In set A we have all the elements, in set B we have all the elements. Now we need the intersection of A and B. So A intersection B means we will take the common elements in set A, in event A or and in event B. जब हम इसका intersection लेंगे तो check करें कौन कौन से element इसमें से जो common है. This is common. Okay, what is next? And 6 3 and 6 3 is common. So you can see in A intersection B there is only two elements. Okay, there is only two elements. जी अब हम find करते हैं probabilities. Probabilities हमें किसकी चाहिए? We need the probability of event A. Okay, so probability of event A वो कैसे आएगी? Number of elements in event A divided by total number of sample space. Okay, so how many elements you can count? It is very easy. How many elements in set A? How many elements? There are 15 elements. Okay, and I have already told to you when two dice are rolled, the number of elements in sample space is 36. So 15 divided by 36, when you will solve it, it is 5 by 12. Similarly, the probability of B is 6 over 36, and this is 1 by 6. Clear? And what is the probability of A intersection B? And how many elements you can see here? A intersection B, there are two elements. So 2 by 36, this is 1 by 18. Okay, अब हम फार्मूला लेते हैं अपना जिसमें हमने वैल्यूज को पुट करना है. Now by using the formula, as you can see here, what is the formula? The formula is on the right hand side we need product of probability of A and product of probability of B, and when we find the product of probability of A and probability of B, it is 5 by 72. So you can see that these two values are not same. When the two values are not same, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So when what we say, the two events are not independent, or you can say that A and B are dependent. So we can easily check in this example when the events are dependent or independent. Okay, after this we have another example. Okay, in this example you can see, in this example टू डाइस आर रोल्ड. इसी तरह से हमारे पास टू डाइस होंगे, रोल किया जाएगा उनको. आई थिंक दिस इज द सेम एग्जांपल एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी learned one example previously. The sample space is same but the events A and B are different. So what is event A? Two dice are rolled. Event A is first dice shows even number. Okay, first dice shows even number. B, what is event B? Second dice shows 5 or 6. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, वो जो सैंपल स्पेस आपने नोट किया हो उसमें से चेक करें आप प्लीज कि सेट ए में हम क्या लेंगे. फर्स्ट डाइस शोज इवन नंबर के हमारे पास जो ऑर्डर पेयर बन रहा है उसमें जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है फर्स्ट डाई का वो शुड बी इवन. वो तमाम के तमाम हम इवन लेंगे. ओके, देयर इज नो ऑड. जितने भी इवन वाले हैं वो हम तमाम के तमाम इसमें से ले लेंगे. एज यू कैन सी हियर all the first elements of dice 1 is even. Similarly B में क्या लेंगे, second dice shows 5 और 6. तो जो हम even B और set B बनाएंगे उसके जो second elements में हम 5 और 6 जो है वो लेंगे. ओके, जिसमें तमाम के तमाम 5 और 6 आएंगे। After this, we need to find the intersection of A and B. So A intersection B, हम easily find कर सकते हैं the common elements. So what is common elements? As you can see here, these are the common elements in two sets. उनको हम सबको लिख लेंगे. Okay? And 4, 5 भी इसमें common है, इसमें भी common है. So 4, 5 आ जाएगा and so on. अब तमाम के तमाम इसके जो elements है वो हम निकाल देंगे. After this, अब हम इनकी probabilities find करते हैं. So what is the probability of A? Number of elements in A, you can count it. There are 18. And how many number of elements in sample space? It is 36. 18 by 36 को solve करेंगे तो 1 by 2 आ जाएगा. And probability of B क्या आएगी? B में कितने elements? 12 by 36 करेंगे. Okay, तो ये 1 by 3 आएगा. And we can easily see what is the probability of A intersection B. And how many elements in A intersection B? There are 6 elements. तो 6 by 36 ये आ जाएगा. Okay, 6 by 36. इसको अब हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 6 by 36 को. तो हमारे पास probability of A intersection B क्या आ रही है? You can see probability of A intersection B is 1 by 6. Okay, अब हम फार्मूला में वैल्यूज पुट करते हैं और इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. जब हमने probability of A प्रोडक्ट ऑफ probability of B फाइंड की, 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/3 तो क्या आएगा? 1 by 6. This is also 1 by 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the two events A and B are independent in this case. Okay, this is an exercise question for you to solve this question. And in this question, you can see a number is selected from first 120 numbers. Okay, we need to take first 120 numbers and number A is divisible by 4. हमने set A ऐसा लेंगे जिसमें numbers जो हैं वो divisible by 4 होंगे, और B हमने क्या लेना है? number is divisible by 6. ठीक है? So check whether A and B are independent. This is a question for you for your practice. इसको आप solve करें. Hope so this will help you to understanding more about the events are dependent or independent.